Have you ever wondered what makes our planet truly extraordinary? Not the cities, not the roads, not the towers we build, but the raw, breathtaking wonders sculpted by nature itself. Places where time stands still, where colors dance, mountains whisper stories, rivers carve tales into the earth, and the sky puts on shows that no artist could ever paint. Today, let me take you on a once-in-a-lifetime journey to explore the 25 greatest natural wonders of the world. Buckle up, because this is going to change how you see our planet forever. Globe showing Europe, Africa 1. Grand Canyon, USA. Location, Arizona, USA. Carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon stretches 277 miles and exposes nearly 2 billion years of Earth's geological history. Its vast size, layered rock formations, and dramatic vistas make it one of the world's most awe-inspiring landscapes. Desert 2. Mount Everest, Nepal, China. Location, Himalayas, Nepal-Tibet border. The highest peak on Earth at 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet, Everest is the ultimate symbol of natural majesty and adventure. It's part of the Himalayas, formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. Desert Island 3. Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Location, Queensland, Australia. The largest coral reef system on Earth, visible from space. It spans over 2,300 kilometers and is home to thousands of marine species. Sadly, it's endangered by climate change and coral bleaching. Volcano 4. Aurora Borealis, Northern Hemisphere. Location, Arctic regions, Alaska, Norway, Canada, Iceland. Also known as the Northern Lights, this natural light show is caused by charged solar particles colliding with Earth's magnetic field, creating dancing lights across the night sky. National Park 5. Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Location, Zambezi River, Africa. One of the largest and most powerful waterfalls in the world, known locally as the smoke that thunders. It drops over 100 meters and spans nearly 1.7 kilometers in width. Fog 6. Amazon Rainforest, South America. Location, covers 9 countries, mainly Brazil. The world's largest rainforest and a biodiversity hotspot. It produces over 20% of the world's oxygen and contains 1 in 10 known species on Earth. 7. Antarctica. Location, South Pole. The coldest, driest, and windiest continent. It holds about 70% of the world's fresh water and plays a crucial role in global climate regulation. Beach with Umbrella 8. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Location, Gulf of Tonkin, Vietnam. Known for its emerald waters and thousands of limestone karsts and isles topped with rainforests, Ha Long Bay looks like a dreamlike scene from a fantasy movie. National Park 9. Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil. Location, Parna River, South America. A massive waterfall system with over 275 drops, much wider than Niagara Falls. It's surrounded by lush subtropical forests teeming with wildlife. Volcano 10. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Location, Tanzania, Africa. Africa's highest peak and a freestanding volcanic mountain with snowy peaks rising from the plains. Its ecological zones range from rainforest to Arctic. National Park 11. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, China. Location, Hunan Province, China. Famous for its towering sandstone pillars that inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar, this surreal landscape feels like stepping into a fantasy world. Sunrise over Mountains 12. Yosemite Valley, USA. Location, California, USA. A glacial valley in Yosemite National Park, known for its dramatic granite cliffs, waterfalls, and ancient sequoia trees like El Capitan and Half Dome. 3014. Banff National Park, Canada. Location, Alberta, Canada. home to turquoise lakes like Lake Louise, rugged mountain peaks, and stunning wildlife. Banff is a jewel of the Canadian Rockies. 15. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. Location, Pacific Ocean. A volcanic archipelago famous for its unique wildlife, including giant tortoises and marine iguanas. Inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. Water Wave 16. Cliffs of Moher, Ireland. Location, County Clare, Ireland. Towering sea cliffs that rise to 114 meters above the Atlantic Ocean. A dramatic and windswept coastal landscape with bird-watching opportunities. Desert 17. Sahara Desert, Africa. Location, Northern Africa. The world's largest hot desert, stretching across 11 countries. Its sweeping sand dunes, harsh climate, and ancient trade routes make it both beautiful and mysterious. Volcano 18. Blue Hole, Belize. Location, Belize Barrier Reef. A giant marine sinkhole with deep blue water, surrounded by coral reefs. It's a diving paradise due to its clear visibility and underwater formations. Snow-capped Mountain 19. Dolomites, Italy. Location, Northern Italy. A dramatic mountain range with jagged limestone peaks, alpine meadows, and fairy tale landscapes, perfect for skiing, hiking, and climbing. Rainbow 20. Rainbow Mountain, Peru. Location, Andes Mountains. Known as Vinicanca, this mountain displays vivid stripes of red, yellow, green, and purple due to mineral deposits, a geological marvel of colors. Snow-capped Mountain 21. The Matterhorn, Switzerland, Italy. Location, Alps. One of the most iconic peaks in the Alps, known for its pyramid shape. It attracts mountaineers and photographers from all over the world. Dragon 22. Pamukkale, Turkey. Location, Denizli Province, Turkey. A series of white travertine terraces created by mineral-rich thermal waters. It looks like a frozen waterfall, but is warm and soothing. Volcano 23. Mount Fuji, Japan. Location, Honshu Island. A perfectly symmetrical volcanic cone and a symbol of Japan. It's culturally revered and climbers scale it during sunrise for the full spiritual experience. Volcano 24. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Location, Southwest Bolivia. The largest salt flat in the world. It turns into a giant mirror during the rainy season. The reflection of the sky creates otherworldly illusions. Tree 25. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. Location, Central Croatia. A magical forest of cascading lakes and waterfalls with turquoise waters connected by wooden walkways. A natural paradise all year round.